Oh yes, the DJI Neo is here.
Got shipped to the house about a week ago now. So I put it to work after unboxing. I took it to the beach and checked out all the modes.
It was pretty foggy and overcast, as you can see. At that time, drones were prohibited at the beach, so we worked at this sparsely populated park nearby where it's still overlooking the ocean. See how the drone hit those leaves over there, but it didn't crash, went about its operation, and we were able to test out the following features.
And the follow mode is pretty seamless. Direction track as well. I just placed it on really close at a flat level, and this is how it looked like. And here I use the circle function. This is the droney.
The cool feature for these two functions, droney and rocket, is that it makes two videos for going out and for coming back. Here's the other droney video when it comes back.
This is the rocket.
Now, what I can say about all this fuzz about the video quality on the DJI Neo, you get what you actually paid for. But in my case, for the purposes that I'm using it in vlogging and social media, it's all worth it. So there's no complaint there. There's one cool feature of the DJI Neo where you can connect it to your iPhone and it presents itself as a separate audio file, and you can talk over your recordings and also eliminates the sound of the drone.
Hello, test mic. Trying to see if I can pick up my voice while it's following me. Okay, let's try follow. Follow.
This is what it actually sounds like in a normal environment.
Okay, let's try follow mode. Auto. This is really good. Although I'm just running at 5 miles an hour. 5.6 actually. Direction track, baby. But I just hope it goes in front of me so I could get a front shot. Because it's just mostly follow right now. It looks like it's defaulting to follow once the speed is determined to be faster. Baby, not too dead. So yeah, that is cool. With spotlight, the drone stays in its place, and it just follows you around from that stationary position. I'm doing manual control and place it at a little bit of a high angle and see if it can do a spotlight on me. Still tracking me. Okay, we're gonna try spotlight at a well-lit environment. I'd say it's tracking it well, man. Staying in a specific position, it's just tracking the spotlight. Yeah. I'm gonna adjust it at a lower angle. Let's see. Okay, let's go. Direction track. Let's go. From the front. The side. Back to the front. That is very good. That is very good.
Critically low battery warning.
Very good. Woo! Almost hit that pole, man. Perfect. Okay.
battery. Has to come back to me now.